2,500 years, the gods at the Meenakshi Amman temple in Madurai is said to have been granting wishes. 25,000 devotees visit the iconic temple every day, bringing with them prayers, dreams and hopes and gifts, some of which end up taking a toll on the natural environment.
One of the reasons for global warming is waste. So we have to attack waste, and waste comes from houses. 40% of the waste is food waste. We are concentrating on food waste so that we can avoid methane gas emission to that extent.
There are some 38,000 registered temples in Tamil Nadu, generating over 3.8 lakh kilos of flower waste every day. Meenakshi Temple too was one of them. But not anymore.
We have taken the small area around temple to educate, motivate and show to others the method of reduction of waste at their houses, and as a result to reduce global warming.
The Green Initiative is not restricted to temple waste. The men visit 1,000 houses and collect tons of biodegradable waste. They sort and dump the waste into large compost bins at the green shed.
Spray. Approximately we are getting 100 to 150 kgs from temple. This vegetable waste and other organic waste, our people are taking in the buckets, and while putting inside the compost bin, they are segregating and putting. If you allow, naturally it will take 45 days, but in order to speed up the fermentation and the composting, we are adding organic microbes, which will hasten the process of composting.
The manure that is generated is then used in the temple gardens for farm use and also distributed to the households surrounding the temple.
Madurai being a city which is having a population of around 16 lakhs, apart from a floating population of around 2 lakhs. So we have generated close to around 680 to 700 metric tons of waste every day. So we have a centralized garbage processing unit at Velaikal, wherein we treat most of our waste. Apart from this, now because of the increasing waste that is getting generated, and because the centralized facility is not adequate, we are going for more decentralized facilities in the form of micro composting units. We have on-site composting, wherein the waste that is generated there is composted there itself. That is the way forward in which we are moving. That is more decentralized and more efficient solid waste management with no landfills.
Of course, I do pottery for it. 2 days.
For households in the area, waste segregation and recycling has become a way of life.